In a small, quiet house, something magical is waiting. Up in the old attic, there is something very strange. A box, a very old box, with a golden keyhole. And on the floor, a golden key, glowing, waiting. Two children find the stairs. They look up. They are curious. They open the door, and everything changes.
Wow, look at this place. It is full of old things.
You guys care. What is that light?
Do not worry, Sara. I am here. Stay close to me.
What are all these old things? They look so mysterious. Ayan, look! A golden key is glowing.
It is warm. Can you feel it? It is alive. It is beautiful. But what does it open? Look! That box has a keyhole. Maybe the key fits.
Let us try. Come on. The key is moving. It wants to go inside.
Put it in. Slowly.
It fits. Look. The box is glowing everywhere.
A map! A floating map! This is real magic!
It is flying. The map is flying in the air.
Look, it shows a path to something above the clouds.
A staircase made of rainbow. Can we go there?
It wants us to follow. It is showing us the way.
Should we go? I am a little nervous.
Together. We go together. I will protect you.
Okay, together. Let us follow the map.
Sara, look! The map is leading us.
Oh, it's so pretty, Ayan.
Into the golden evening.
The map is going faster. We must follow it.
I can see something ahead. Something shining. A staircase made of rainbow going up to the clouds.
The step is warm. It changes color when I step on it.
Keep going step at a time.
Do not look down, Ayan. It is very high.
I am not looking. Just keep climbing. We are so high. I can see our house from here.
Look up. The clouds are so close now. I am touching a cloud. It feels like cotton candy.
We are inside the clouds.
This is amazing.
Above the clouds, a whole new world is waiting.
A library. A giant library floating in the sky.
Books are flying. Look at the books. They are alive.
The doors have pictures on them. Stars and owls.
Should we knock or just go in?
It is opening. I can see inside.
This is the most beautiful place in the whole world.
The books are alive. They are flying everywhere.
A book almost hit my head.
It was flying so fast. Look at this blue light. It follows me everywhere.
Well, well, visitors in my library. How delightful.
A talking owl. And the owl is talking.
My name is Wiz. I am the keeper of this library.
Hello, Wiz. I am Ayan. This is my sister, Sara.
You are so small and so cute already.
And you are very kind. I can feel it in your heart.
But I need your help. Something terrible happened.
What happened? Tell us, Wiz.
This is where the Book of Dreams always sat.
The Book of Dreams? What is that?
The Book of Dreams gives every person beautiful dreams. Without it, people will forget how to dream. Forever.
No dreams? That is terrible. We must help.
Who stole the book? Tell us.
The cloud monster took it. He lives in that dark cave. He is very big and very lonely.
Sara, we have to go. We must get the book back.
I am scared, but I will go with you, together.
You are both very brave. I will go with you.
The three friends begin their journey to the dark cave.
The clouds are getting dark and cold.
We are getting closer. Stay together. The wind is very strong. Hold on to me, Sara.
I am holding. I've not let go.
This is it. The Cloud Monster Cave.
It is so dark inside. I cannot see anything.
Stay behind me. I will go first. Be brave, Sara.
I am being brave. My heart is beating so fast.
Quietly now. Very quietly.
I see it. The golden light. That must be the book.
The Book of Dreams. It is so beautiful. Ayan, something is there. Something big.
Stay behind me. I will protect you.
Go away! Leave me alone! This is my book now!
Do not run. He is scared too. Look at his eyes.
Wait, look at his eyes. He is not mean. He is crying.
Sara, be careful. He is lonely, just like when I feel alone at school.
Hello. My name is Sara. What is your name?
Nobody asks my name. Nobody talks to me.
Why did you take the book? Can you tell me? I am so lonely. The book has beautiful stories.
When I read the stories, I do not feel alone. The stories are my only friends.
I understand. Sometimes I feel lonely too. But taking the book makes everyone lose their dreams.
I did not think about that. I am sorry. I just wanted someone to care about me.
I will be your friend. We can be your friends. You do not need to steal. You just need to ask. Ayan, Wiz, can I be your friend?
She is right. You can be our friend. We promise.
And you can visit the library anytime you want.
Really? You want to be my friends?
Yes, real friends, I promise. One day a bunny went to school. The bunny could not find his classroom.
So funny. He is laughing. Sara, you did it.
The bunny wore glasses. That is so funny.
He is laughing. Sara, you did it.
Here, take the book back. I am sorry I took it. I do not need to steal. I have friends now.
Thank you. You are very kind. I knew it. The Book of Dreams is saved.
You did it, children.
Take my bunny, so you are never lonely again.
This is the kindest thing anyone ever did for me.
We are all friends now. Come with us.
Really? I can come to the library? Of course, everyone is welcome. The four friends walk home. Together, the book is saved. Welcome home. The library has been waiting.
Where does the book go? Here on this golden stand?
Yes, place it there, gently. The light, it is coming back. Look, it is so beautiful. Everything is glowing. The dreams are saved.
The dreams fly out from the book, back to every person. Dreams fly across the sky, to every child, to every person. Beautiful. The dreams are going home. You saved every dream in the world. Thank you. You showed that kindness is the strongest magic.
We did it, Sara. Together.
Kindness is the strongest magic I will remember.
Keep this golden feather. It will remind you of us.
I will keep it forever, Wiz. I promise.
Anne, the golden key! It is glowing again!
The key knows. It is time for you to go home.
Goodbye, Wiz. I will miss you so much.
Goodbye, Sara. You always have courage inside. Goodbye, Cloud Monster. Take care of the library. I have friends now. I am not lonely anymore.
The key is glowing.
I can see our attic. The key opens the way home.
Goodbye. We will never forget you.
We are back. We are home.
But look! The feather! The key! It was all real!
What a day. We saved the dreams of the whole world.
And we made a new friend. A big fluffy cloud friend. Ayan, do you think we will dream tonight?
Yes, Sara. Everyone will dream tonight. Because of us.
Sara closes her eyes, and she begins to dream. The library glows, the dreams fly, the world sleeps peacefully. Courage, kindness, teamwork, that is the strongest magic. The end.